Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, lesson number 5, quality. See, before it we have completed supplementary reading, that is two supplementary readings, and now we are going to start the fifth lesson named quality. See, this is one of the we can say the very nice very good test, good lesson, good test, which text which tells us something about that we have to devote our work, and we should do our work honestly. Now let's see, this is the story of one shoemaker and his devotion for his profession. Let's start. See, before you read lesson number 5, कॅन अ शूमेकर बी कॉल्ड अन आर्टिस्ट. शूमेकरला आपण आर्टिस्ट म्हणू शकतो का? येस, इफ ही हॅज द सेम स्किल अँड प्राईड इन हिज ट्रेड ॲज एनी अदर आर्टिस्ट अँड द सेम रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इट टू. सी हिअर देर इज वन क्वेश्चन फॉर अस दॅट कॅन वी कॉल अ शूमेकर आर्टिस्ट. आपण शूमेकरला किंवा जो बूट मेकर आहे त्याला आपण आर्टिस्ट म्हणू शकतो. येस, इफ ही इज डुईंग हिज वर्क ऑनेस्टली अँड स्किलफुली देन वी कॅन कॉल हिम artist. Mr. Gessler, a German shoemaker, settled in London. See, this is the story of Mr. Gessler, who is settled in London. Actually, he is a German man, but settled in London. He is a perfect artist. Read his story to see how he devotes his life to his art. So, let's see the life story of Mr. Gessler, who has devoted his life to his profession. See, let's see quality. Generally, many times you may go in the shops to purchase a boots, shoes, or the sandals. At that time you observe many things in that shop. Such a type of shop is here, and that shoemaker's name is Mr. Gessler. So let's start quality. Let's see the quality of his work. See, here lesson starts with the author's information. Here author said that author's name is John Galsworthy. Let's see. I knew him from the days of my extreme youth because he made my father's boots. He lived with his elder brother in his shop, which was in a small by street in a fashionable part of London. See, here writer says that I know that shop because from my extreme youth. Extreme youth means what? From my childhood. From my childhood, I am visiting that shop because my father always purchase boot from that particular shop, and that particular shop. See, he lived with his elder brother in his shop, आणि जो कोणतो शूमेकर होता तो त्याच्या एल्डर ब्रदर मीन्स मोठ्या भावाबरोबर तो त्या शॉपमध्ये राहत होता. विच वॉज इन अ स्मॉल बाय स्ट्रीट इन अ फॅशनेबल पार्ट ऑफ लंडन. लंडनचं एक फॅशनेबल पार्ट आहे, त्या पार्टमध्ये स्ट्रीटवर हे एक दुकान होतं, हे एक शॉप होतं शूमेकरचं, आणि तो शूमेकर आपल्या मोठ्या भावाबरोबर त्या शॉपमध्येच राहत होता. The shop had a certain quiet distinction. See, the shop had a certain quiet distinction. There is a special feature. Quiet distinction means what? There is a special feature. There was no sign upon it other than the name of Gessler Brothers. See, what is the quiet distinction, or what is the special feature of that shop? On the nameplate of that shop, only written there a Gessler Brothers. Nothing sign is there. Gessler Brothers is the name on that nameplate. And in the window a few pairs of boots. आणि त्या विंडो मध्ये few म्हणजे एक मोजक्याच शू पेयर्स किंवा बूटच्या पेयर्स ठेवलेल्या असायच्या. He made only what was ordered, and what he made never failed to fit. See, this is the special feature of this shop, that shoemakers only make ordered boots. See, the shoemakers only make ordered boots, and that boots never fail to fit anybody's foot. आणि ते कुणाच्याही पायी व्यवस्थित फिट झालेले असायचे. To make boots, such boots as he made, seemed to me then and still seems to me mysterious and wonderful. Here our author says that shoe pairs, that boots, always I feel mysterious and wonderful. See, then the next paragraph. I remember Well, my shy remarks one day while stretching out to him my youthful foot, isn't it awfully hard to do, Mr. Gessler? And his answer, given with a sudden smile from out of the redness of his beard, it is an art. See what happened here. One day our one day our author asked that shoemaker Mr. Gessler ना हा एक दिवस आपला ऑथर विचारतो, काय विचारतो की इजंट इट ऑफुली हार्ड टू डू मिस्टर गेसलर, तुम्हाला हे सगळं तयार करायला खूपच हार्ड वाटत असेल किंवा डिफिकल्ट वाटत असेल. तर तो शूमेकर जो मिस्टर गेसलर आहे तो काय म्हणतो बघा काय म्हणतो, हिज इंग्लिश इज क्वाईट डिफरंट, मिस्टर गेसलर्स इंग्लिश इज क्वाईट डिफरंट बिकॉज ही इज अ जर्मन पर्सन, so he is speaking in a German tone. He says that it is an art. See what does it mean? It is an art. See that Gessler says it is an art. His pronunciation is quite different because he is a German person, and its exact pronunciation is it is an art. Mr. Gessler says that it is an art. It is not difficult for me. It is not hard for me because I like my profession and I devoted fully to my profession. So it is not difficult for me. Actually, it is an art. This is the answer of Mr. Gessler to the author. Then next paragraph. It was not possible to go to him very often. These boots lasted terribly. See here our author says that it is not possible for me to visit his shop again and again because his boots, his shoes which were made by him were lasted terribly. Lasted means what? See lasted means lasted very long means खूप दीर्घकाळ टिकायचे. See खूप दीर्घकाळ टिकायचे. So it is not possible for me to visit his shop again and again. Having something beyond the temporary, some essence of boot stitched into them. See here our writer says that his boots, his shoe pairs lasted terribly, lasted so long, खूप दीर्घकाळ टिकायच्या. Having something beyond the temporary, temporary की तात्पुरत्याने जे तयार केले शूज असायचे ते टेम्पररी नसायचे तर खूप दीर्घकाळ टिकायचे. सम इसेन्स ऑफ बूट स्टिचेड इनटू देम, त्यांना अशा प्रकारचे बूट स्टिच केलेले, स्टिच म्हणजे शिवलेले असायचे. See you can on your screen you can see the Gessler brothers, the shop is there, our author is standing outside, only nameplate there is a Gessler brothers and some shoe pairs are there in the window. See one went in not as into most shops but restfully as one enters a church, and sitting on the single wooden chair waited. Here now our author describes some features of the shop of the Mr. Gessler. Here our writer says that one went in, एखादा आत गेला की not as into most shop की जसं सगळ्या शॉप्स मध्ये असतं, but restfully as one enters a church and sitting on the single wooden chair waited. की जसं इतर शॉप्स मध्ये असतं की तुम्हाला बघायला मिळतं खूप चेअर्स असतात बसायला, रश असते किंवा खूप तुम्हाला व्हरायटी बघायला मिळते, पण इथं तुम्हाला तसं बघायला मिळणार नाही. अँड सिटिंग ऑन द सिंगल वुडन चेअर वेटेड, तुम्हाला तिथे गेला तर एखाद्या ह्याच्यामध्ये एखाद्या चर्चमध्ये गेल्यासारखं वाटेल आणि एकच तिथं वुडन चेअर असायची, तिथे तुम्हाला जाऊन बसून वेट करायला लागायचा. अ guttural sound and the tip tap of his slippers breathing the narrow wooden stairs, and he would stand before one without coat, a little bent in leather apron with sleeves turned back, blinking as if awakened from some dream of boots. See what happened now. Here describes the situation of the shop of Mr. Gessler. Here our writer says that not like other shops, Gessler shop is different from other shops because there is only one wooden chair. If you entered in the shop, you should sit on the chair and just wait. आणि राईट म्हणतो की तुम्ही आत गेल्यावर फक्त वुडन चेअर बसून वेट करायचं आणि नंतर काय व्हायचं, अ गुटरल साऊंड. सी अ गुटरल साऊंड, गुटरल मीन्स वॉट, हार्श अँड ग्रटिंग. तुम्हाला तिथं बसल्यानंतर एक हार्श आवाज ऐकायला येईल. कशाचा असायचा तर टिपटॅप ऑफ द स्लीपर्स, तुम्हाला त्या वुडन स्टेअर केसवरून स्लीपर्स चालत आलेला, बीटिंग द नॅरो वुडन स्टेअर्स अँड ही वुड स्टँड बिफोर वन. आणि तुम्ही जाऊन बसला की तुम्हाला तिथे गटरल एक हार्श आवाज येईल. कसला आवाज येईल, स्लीपर्सचा. त्या स्लीपर्स वुडन स्टेअर केस जिना पायऱ्यांच्यावरून चालत आलेला तुम्हाला आवाज येईल आणि एक व्यक्ती तुमच्या पुढे येऊन उभा राहील. ही वुड स्टँड बिफोर वन तुमच्या पुढे एक व्यक्ती येऊन उभा राहील विदाउट कोट, कदाचित कोट नसेल, अ लिटल बेंट थोडासा झुकलेला, इन लेदर ॲप्रॉन त्याच्या अंगावर लेदर ॲप्रॉन असेल, विथ स्लीव्स टर्न बॅक त्याच्या हाताच्या ज्या शर्टच्या स्लीव्स आहेत त्या थोड्याशा बॅक टर्न केलेले असणार. ब्लिंकिंग ॲज इफ अवेकन फ्रॉम सम ड्रीम ऑफ गुड्स, ब्लिंकिंग डोळेशी मिचकावून तुमच्या पुढे एक व्यक्ती उभा राहील जस्ट लाईक ही इज अ कम आउट फ्रॉम हिज ड्रीम्स. अँड आय वुड से हाव डू यू डू मिस्टर गॅसलर, आणि मग ते मला समोर दिसल्या मी त्यांना काय विचारायचो, हिअर आवर ऑथर आस्क हाव डू यू डू मिस्टर गॅसलर, मिस्टर गॅसलर कसे आहात, कुड यू मेक मी अ पेअर ऑफ रशियन लेदर बूट्स, आणि मी त्यांना विचारलं की तुम्ही माझ्यासाठी रशियन लेदरचे बूट्स बनवाल का. विदाउट अ वर्ड ही वुड लीव मी रिटायरिंग व्हेन्स ही केम और इन टू द अदर पोर्शन ऑफ द shop, and I would continue to rest in the wooden chair, inhaling the essence of his trade. See what happened here. Our author says that when I went there to purchase shoes, I asked Mr. Gessler, could you make me a Russian leather shoes? तुम्ही माझ्यासाठी रशियन लेदरचे शूज कराल का. आणि मिस्टर गेसलर काही न बोलता आत गेले, आणि बघा काय झालं. and here writer says that I sat on the wooden chair to inhale श्वास घेणे किंवा वास घेणे, इनहेलिंग द इन्सेन्स ऑफ हिज ट्रेड. आता हिअर दिस इज द ॲक्च्युली शॉप ऑफ दिस इज द शॉप ऑफ द शूज अँड द बूट्स. सो देअर इज अ इन्सेन्स म्हणजे स्मेल, कशाचा स्मेल असेल तर लेदरचा ऑब्वियस. इनहेलिंग द इन्सेन्स ऑफ हिज ट्रेड, आणि तिथं बसून मी तिथला तो जो स्मेल आहे त्याचा जो गंध आहे तो घेत बसलो. सून ही वुड कम बॅक होल्डिंग इन हिज हँड अ पीस ऑफ गोल्ड ब्राऊन लेदर, आणि थोड्याच वेळा ते परत आले मिस्टर गेसलर, अँड देअर वॉज अ गोल्ड ब्राऊन लेदर इन हिज हँड विथ आईज फिक्स ऑन इट. ही वुड रिमार्क, बघा, आणि लेदरकडे बघता बघता मिस्टर गेसलर काय म्हणतायत, व्हॉट अ ब्युटिफुल पीस. सी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ पीस, ही से दॅट व्हॉट अ ब्युटिफुल bees here. When I too had admired it, he would speak again. And here author says that even when I saw that golden brown leather, I also admired that. Yes, this is a beautiful piece of leather. He would speak again, आणि ते परत काय म्हणाला बघा, when do you want them. See here, see this, if you see the pronunciation, when do you want them, तुम्हाला ते कधी हवेत. इट मीन्स दॅट when do you want them, and I would answer, oh, as soon as you conveniently can. And here author says that as soon as possible for you, and he would say tomorrow fortnight. See, Mr. Gessler says that तुम्हाला एक 15 दिवसात fortnight मी तुम्हाला देईन. or if he were his elder brother, I will ask my brother. Here writer say that in the see the Mr. Gessler's elder brother's name is brother. I will ask my brother. See the spelling of brother. Here Gessler said that brother. I will ask my brother. See, Mr. Gessler's elder brother's name is brother, आणि गेसलर म्हणतात की तुम्हाला एक 15 दिवसात मी तुम्हाला तुमचे शूज देईन, आणि मी माझ्या मोठ्या भावाला पण विचारेन. Then I would murmur, thank you, good morning, Mr. Gessler. Good morning, he would reply, still looking at the leather in his hand. आणि तुझा तो गेसलर आहे त्याला गुड मॉर्निंग म्हणून आपला रायटर ऑथर निघून जातो, आणि त्या लेदरकडे बघत तो गेसलर तसाच उभा राहतो. And as I moved to the door, I would hear the tip tap of his slippers going up the stairs to his dream of boots. आणि मी गेल्यानंतर मी निघून जाताना मला फक्त आवाज ऐकायला आला की मिस्टर गेसलरच्या स्लीपरचा टिपटॅप स्लीपरचा आवाज त्याच्या स्टेअरकेसवरून मला ऐकायला आला. See students, in this picture you can see that our author is sitting on the wooden chair and Mr. Gessler is there. There is a piece of leather in his hand and both are talking, both are conversing with each other. See students, you can see here some translation of the perfect spellings has given, because here Mr. Gessler is a German person and he is speaking English in his tone, so the exact spellings are given here. You should read it carefully. See till remain part we will see to the next session. Till you should read this lesson very carefully and write down find out new words and their meanings. Okay, thank you and have a good day.